O, Flat Rocks. This Holy Week, pupunta kami sa Flat Rocks.
Flat rocks or fat rocks?
Flat Rocks. Dito ang daan.
Fat rocks! Fat rocks! It's not called flat rocks, it's called fat rocks.
Uy, medyo madulas. Madulas. Careful, Arnie.
You keep leaving me behind.
Ayan.
Fat rock! It's so fat. It's not flat, it's fat. Fat rock!
Natin papuntang Flat
Fat
Rocks.
rocks! Wide rocks!
Teka. Arnie, baka mag-water. Ayan.
This is easy.
Careful, ha?
How did they shape the tree like this?
Careful, Arnie.
Go!
Oops.
Who knew
Oops. Woo!
Wait. The backpack helps me balance.
Dahan-dahan.
Ah! Stop.
Ay, sige.
Ugh.
Here, you step there.
Ayan, ang bigat kasi ng dalang bag.
I did
Ito
not.
ang papuntang Flat
Only the water
Rocks.
bottle is not my board
Here.
games. I mean nothing. All I brought was my water bottle, but I was too lazy to carry it. So I put it
Medyo. Buti nga hindi maputik. Pag maulan, maputik to. So, mas maganda talaga pumunta ng summer.
How did this get caught without the water flowing? Oh, my arms feel itchy. How did Caleb manage to get through this? I thought I would see a baby skeleton. Until I
Magandang activity to kasama ang kids. Kasi maganda talaga ang Flat Rocks. Last na punta ko dito is 1980s pa. So imagine 2026 na ngayon. Elementary lang ako. Ngayon ko lang siya ulit mababalikan.
Kaya may nanging isda pa.
May isda ba talaga doon?
Meron daw, sabi niya grilled daw.
Hindi kasi. Hindi ko napansin.
Doon sa taas yung gusto natin puntahan. Oops, medyo madulas. Dapat maganda talaga yung footwear niyo. Ang tagal ng dalawa. Kailangan kumapit. Naku, saan ba ako dadaan? Naku, hindi ko alam kung saan ako dadaan. Dito yata. Wala namang daanan dito. Kaya, ayun, malamang dito nga. Kasi kitang-kita naman, very evident naman yung trail. So, hindi kayo maliligaw. If you want to have a weekend activity, maganda dito sa Flat Rocks. Tsaka, safe naman siya for kids. So, may mga kids naman nagpupunta. Ito, marami siyang paakyat. So, this is also nice if you want to have slight cardiovascular cardiovascular activity. Sanay naman kasi akong HIIT exercise. HIIT, H-I-I-T. That's high intensity interval training. Kaya sa akin, baliwala na itong cardio activity. Pero sa mga beginners, medyo mahihirapan kayo kasi marami siyang, actually ascending siya eh. This is in Mount Makiling Trail. Yan, di naman masyadong mahirap. Slight walking nga lang. May mga area lang na medyo mahirap yung dadaanan. Pero carry naman to. Tsaka madami namang pumupunta dito. See, maganda naman yung trail and it's safe. Hindi ko lang alam pag rainy days, hindi kami pumupunta dito. Uy, saan ba? May pa ganun. Tapos meron din dito. Teka. Let's wait for my husband. Ang tagal nila. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako dadaan. No, kita nyo ba? Meron doon. Meron doon. Trail din siya. Pataas. Saan kaya ang daan? Ding dong, saan kaya ang daan? Dito? Or dito? Dalawa oh.
There.
Here?
There.
Oh, dito. Here.
Hindi naman daan ng tao yan eh.
Oh. What's this? Oh. May kakapitan. What's this? Baka mamaya ahas to. Oh. Hindi naman may delikado, kakapit lang.
Make sure the vine doesn't break, Daddy. I wouldn't say you're fat. I would say you're different.
Ayan.
Hold on to the vine.
Ah,
I wonder how they put it.
careful.
Wait, go over it.
Pagka napagod si Army, pwede nang i-shortcut yung papuntang Aguila Base. Kahit hindi na tumuloy. Oh, here. Dito. Parang konti lang ang dumadaan ngayon. Or galing na sila.
Hapon na eh. Kung kanina umaga tayo.
Kanina siguro mas madami. Normally, pag Holy Week, talagang ang daming...
Most are
Ay!
eating their lunch.
Wow! Nako. Teka, paano ba to?
More snacks.
Ayan. Oh, dahan-dahan. Come, Arnie.
Like that. You'll be out of balance.
Dali, dito. Walang kakapitan.
I can hold on to God.
Ayan. Careful.
I'm telling you, this is not flat rock.
It's not flat.
It's flat. Flat rock. If only you got
Ah, ay, careful.
Mommy, stop pulling me. Just help
I'm
me.
not pulling you. Careful din ka, baka mahulog ka
Yeah.
dyan. Dahan-dahan. Oh, medyo bangin na eh.
I don't think this is a YouTube short. It's a YouTube long.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah, it's a
short.
YouTube vlog.
Ay!
Not a YouTube short.
Dahan-dahan. Oh, bangin na to. Bangin na. Oh, kita niyo yan daan. So, Dingdong, wag ka masyado sa side.
You're risking your life too much for us. We can just walk to home. By the way, we're just in Los Baños.
Teka.
If we know that it's rain. Because mommy hasn't put a Waze account. Or a GPS app. I'm telling you, this ain't flat
walking.
rocks. It's flat rocks.
I can hear. Naririnig nyo na yung falls.
I can hear Daddy fart. Silent fart. Hey, help me!
Ingat po.
Madami bang tao?
Yes po. Hey vlog.
Oh, mag-hi ka, mag-hi.
Hello po!
Madulas. Careful, Army! Doon sila makita eh.
These are not flat rocks. These are fat rocks.
Slippery rocks. Naririnig ko na dito. Ilang meters ba to? 300 plus lang?
374.
Oh, here. Bangin.
Here on earth, freedom. Yeah.
Teka. Oh. Yun. Nahilo ako. Nahilo ako. Nakita mo may nag-high.
Yeah.
These shadows and light spots are making me.
Mamaya tatanggalin ko na siya. Medyo mainit sa balat. Mainit eh. Ayoko na mag-sunscreen. Kaya naglagay na lang ako ng arm protector. Medyo malagkit ang sunscreen.
Yeah, it feels like Gorilla Glue.
Yan na. I can hear. Pinig na dito. Madami daw tao doon. Kasi nga Holy Week. Pero pag pumunta kayo ng off-season, minsan kayo lang ang tao dito. There! Wow! Wow! Ang tagal nila.
Fat rock. That is
Tatalon! Oh!
Mind your, ano,
Yes! Teka.
step there, small step.
the tarantula gets me.
Buti na lang nag-pants ka.
Yeah, go down.
Ayun na. Ito lang pala. Ito na. Oh. Wow. Wow, sarap. Maligo. Tama-tama. Mainit. There. Ayan. Flat rock.
Careful, ha. Don't use that there.
Pakita natin kay Kuya Joey. Ay. Parang kumonti ang tubig.
Summer eh. Kung pumunta ka rito ng rainy season, malakas yan.
Oh, ang sarap maligo.
Landed.